Hi guys, I'm Elefteria, and in this video we'll talk about Myrtus communis, it's myrtle, this plant, and also about the Myrtaceae family. So this is Myrtus communis, these are the berries right now and the leaves. So Myrtaceae family, the botanical family to which this plant belongs to, is a family whose flowers have about 5 petals, not very impressive, usually small petals, and very large and impressive stamens. The leaves are a little bit pointy, like this one, and you also have berries. Most plants are woody, and they contain lots of essential oils. Now, about this plant, which is Myrtus communis, there are tons of things you can actually do with this plant. Like, you can take the berries and immerse them in vodka, gin, or tsipuro, since I'm in Greece, and you can macerate them for about 2 or 3 weeks, filter them, add a little bit of syrup, and then have the wonderful liquor which is called Myrtle. Another use for these cute berries here, you can actually harvest them, dry them, and use them a bit like peppercorns, yeah, because the sabinane they contain can be quite similar to black pepper. So you can grind them when they are dry, of course. Another use for the leaf, yeah, you can actually make a tea from the leaf and use it for colds. And from the leaf, people distill an essential oil. You can actually use it in concentrations about 2%, and it's a very useful essential oil for colds. So this was what I had to say about Myrtus communis and the plant. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. It's free. Learn more about me at my website jointheflow.net. See you soon again, guys.